Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Esther Lifestyle. I'm back with yet another interesting episode in my kitchen. So you are welcome again to my kitchen. So first of all, before we go on to today's video, I will be glad first of all to welcome our new subscribers. Feel at home. You are welcome to joining our family. In this channel, we do lifestyle videos, cooking, cleaning, and all kind of the videos. So today I'm in the kitchen because I want to give you an amazing recipe. As we continue to the video today, I'll also be so grateful to say thank you for you returning to clicking this video and watch again another episode. So as you have seen on the title of the video, I'm here to give you that nice recipe behind me. So I want to show you how to make a very amazing peanut butter at your comfortable home, and the ingredients that you only require from this recipe, they are just very few and minimal. So the first ingredients I'm going to be using to make my peanut butter at home, it's 1 kg of peanut butter. They look, because this is the main recipe of today. And of course we are going to have salt for taste, and another thing, but this one is optional. It's not a must, but it's optional. I'm going to be using this extra virgin oil, and you can use any type of oil you have, but this one is not a must. And I'm going to be roasting the peanuts in my oven on 180 degrees, depending on my cooker. So you can understand, when you understand your cooker, some others will go for 220 degrees Celsius, but for my own will go for 180 because it gives a lot of heat. Then I'm going to roast them for 15 minutes first. Then I'm going to turn them and roast for another 15 minutes, and it will be ready to done. And from there I'll give you the next step ahead. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning the peanuts. I'll sort out them first, then clean them, and then another thing before we go on, I'm going to put on my the oven, and then I'm going to set it to 180. Let me show you. Here it is. Then I'm going to light it up for like 20 minutes. Then I'll put high and low heat. Then I'm going to set it to 180. So I'm going to be preheating it first of all. Then I'm going to start sorting out the peanuts. So let's do that together, guys.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So now I've done cleaning the peanuts. So the next step we are going to do is I'm going to add salt. Since we are using 1 kg of peanuts, so I'm putting the salt to my preference. Then I'm going to do like this so that the salt can mix well with the peanuts. Don't put too much salt to the peanuts to make it not to be so bitter. So that's it. So the next step, I'm going to put them in my baking tray. Spread them well so that each can get enough heat. So my oven has been preheated for 15 minutes. So I'm going to put the peanuts inside the oven for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to turn them for another 15 minutes and it will be ready for the next step. So this is the timer. You can see it's 15 minutes and this is the temperature, I mean the heat. I put low and high and low, and then here this is the degrees Celsius, so it's on 180. Yeah, and some can use this to 220 depending on your oven. Yeah, so let's give them 15 minutes. So guys, it has been up to 15 minutes and I'm here to toast them again. And you can see they are almost ready. You see how crunchy they are. So if you, at this point, if you realize your heat is too much, you can reduce it to a low one. If you see them burning, so once you toast them like this, you spread them once again And then I'm going to roast them for another 15 minutes. They are not well done, so I'm going to roast them for another 15 minutes. Then I'm going to reduce the heat, and then they'll be ready. So guys, the peanuts are ready. Ooh. Yeah. Let's get them from the heat, from the oven. Wow. See how they look? They look nice and well cooked. And another thing, I love them when they are hot because they get to get a lot of oil once they are warm. Yeah. So how do you get to know they are ready? So once you get to peel them, they get, oh, it's burning. You hear that sound? That's how you get to know they are ready. They are still very hot. They're so crunchy. And once they are like this, they tend to peel so fast. They are so nice and delicious. Imagine, I've just removed them from the heat, and it's kind of, they are peeling themselves. I can feel a crackle sound from them. Wow. So I want to use this kitchen towel to extract the cover. So then people who love to peel them, once if I plan to peel them one by one, I'll be here until the gods come back. So I'm going to peel them using by the help of this kitchen towel, so that you can extract the covers quickly. So let's do that. So there are people who love to prepare the peanut butter with them like this, with the covers, but it turns out to be so bitter. So it's good to peel them generally because they are looking for a very nice, sweet and tasty consistency of peanut butter and a smooth one. So I tend to feel like I need to really here they are. So I want to tie this one like this, and I'm going to extract using my hand and try and peel them. It's good to peel them still when they are hot. They are boiling. I think I kept so much amount of them here.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to
most of them have peeled. Yeah, and I want to try and peel some with my hand. You can see they are well peeled and they are still hot, very hot. So let me continue peeling them.
I could be the one you
So
talk
I've
to when
finished
you're
peeling
feeling
all the
down.
peanuts.
I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've tried.
So this is what I have got. It looks nice and clean. Yeah, so I'm going to extract some from this one because I want to have few for the bite later. So I'm going to put them here and then I'm going to bread the rest. So that's it. Then I'm going to blend the rest. So I'm going to pour, first of all, you can taste if it has enough salt because the other salt that we added, it was on the peanuts. So I'm going to add a pinch of it. You add a pinch of salt to give it a nice taste. So I'm going to add, okay, add this one, bread up, like that. Then I'm going to be to start blending it, and this one will be quite noisy, but as I still continue to blend, I'm going to add the speed. Yeah. I'm going to by the help of squeezing, since my blender doesn't have a squeezer, I'm going to use this rolling pin to squeeze it so that it can blend fast. So once you see your peanut butter is a little bit dry, you can add 1 cup of olive oil to it to give it a nice consistency. So that's what I'm going to add. Yeah, because it also has its own oil. Yeah, so let's continue blending.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to.
This is the consistency we got. You can see how smooth it is. It looks very awesome. So the best thing with this one, when you're making it at home, is because you know what ingredients it have inside, rather than the one we get in a supermarket that has a lot of preservative. How nice it is, and it's very nice. You can preserve this in your freezer for more than a week. So I'm going to I have a piece of bread here that I want to apply it on to see how it is. Yeah, so I'm going to use it in one piece of bread, and you can see how good and smooth it is. It's very nice for your children. Yeah, it's very looks very yummy and delicious. So that has been it about this video. You can see how easy it is, and it only use only 3 ingredients, and it's very easy to make. So try it my way, and you comment down below and tell me how it is. So let me take a bite of this bread to get to taste of how my peanut butter came out with. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. See you on my next video. This is so yummy and delicious, guys. Keep making this one in your home. Yeah.
That makes you who you are.